I don't know how much of these we're going to see, by the way, but I'm going to do some distant mountains in this one. I'm going to go somewhere here. Where's this one come? Here. Make up a darker blue with just using the two paints that I've already used, the blue and the white. I'm going to put some little shadow colours in there. On this side, just try and drag a little bit of that down. Just put in a little bit across there. Something like that. Create a little bit of I'm just going to be brave and do this now. Use the big brush. There we go. And pull this one down in front of that there. I want this sort of subtleish. That's amazing quality, thank you. Yeah, please do go and check out the website, guys. I need to sell some paintings, so if you fancy it, I can post tomorrow. If you buy one tonight off the website, I can post tomorrow. And also we do prints. So you can order a print of any painting. So if you type in prints, you'll see that as well. Let's just think about sort of where we want this sort of a house or whatever. I'm just going to scrape out a sort of pattern with the roof. Something like that, and then it'll come down there, and then maybe something like this. And that's just getting some paints off there. We're going to put some colour there. Just lay some colour in. I've got some brown that I made up. Just going to pull that down there. Fill these sides in here. Just mixing that blue, which is actually really nice for this kind of painting, because you get that sort of feel to it, of the coldness. This is tricky. This is the big palette knife as well. I'm used to using the small one, so this is kind of new to me as well. I've done it a few times. Don't use the big palette knife that much. So we're going to lay that there. Just going to see what this looks like here. I wanted to do like a little sort of window up there. See this now. Oh, a bit more paint would have been better. I think I had a hair or something in there. Wow, thank you for the hand heart. Who sent that? Top baiting, thank you so much. I'll bring that down. This off here. I mean, where do we go here? Let's go there. Is that the gifted gold done? That's amazing, thank you so much. Santa's little helping cabin, yes. Yeah. Put a little bit of a dark spot in there, neaten that up there. We're going to just bring some of that colour as well down here, so we can blend that out. little sort of thing there like that. Just a little bit there. Someone's upstairs. There we go, I'm going to go around that with some of that white again. There we go, getting the... Got to try and follow the angle of the bottom. Let's just go into some of this white. Okay, now where would the chimney be? We could have him live in there, so we could just... Let's just put a bit of smoke in there. I just threw my fan brush on the floor. Okay, let's just make a little bit of smoke here. Oh, that's a nice bit of smoke. That is a nice bit of smoke. Down for the chimney. Good, because I've done the thing. Somewhere around here. Just coming out the side there. There we go. I'm going to allow a little bit more. The chimney's going. Chimney's going. Chimney's going. This is such a big palette knife. It's like, I think I could butter my toast with this. There's a little... There won't be any snow on top of the chimney, because, but yeah, there's some smoke coming out the chimney. That's pretty cool, isn't it? We're going to come somewhere down like that. Just a little bit lighter and darker in here. I'll tell you what, they look pretty cool, don't they? Let's go somewhere like this, keeping this thing. This paint needs to be very thin when you're doing this. There we go. There we go. I'm going to go with Serenity of Snow. Who chose that one tonight? I chose that, said Julie Norman. Oh, well, there you go. Today's date is the 17th of the 12th. 23. There's the money there. My signature. So that will be going on the back tomorrow.